Life in Redington Beach offers stunning views, coastal breezes, and a vibrant community atmosphere. But as with many beachside towns, the sounds of nearby roads, lively gatherings, and ocean activity can sometimes disrupt the calm. For homeowners looking to enjoy the best of seaside living without the noise-reducing windows are the perfect solution. Modern window technology allows you to maintain your connection to the outdoors, sunlight, scenery, and fresh air, while minimizing the sounds that intrude on your comfort. Here's how upgrading your windows can bring tranquility and privacy to your Redington Beach home. The benefits of soundproofing for coastal homes living near the coast means exposure to a variety of noises, from traffic along Gulf Boulevard to the rhythmic sound of waves and the occasional late-night celebration. While these sounds contribute to the charm of Redington Beach, they can also make it hard to relax, work, or sleep peacefully. Noise-reducing windows are designed to block or absorb external sounds using specialized glass and insulation technology. These windows don't just make your home quieter, they also improve energy efficiency, indoor comfort, and property value. For beachside properties, they offer an ideal balance of serenity and style. Understanding how noise-reducing windows work. The effectiveness of a noise-reducing window is measured by its Sound Transmission Class (STC) rating. The higher the rating, the better it blocks sound. Standard single-pane windows typically have an STC rating around 25 to 27, while acoustic or double-pane windows can reach 35 to 45 or more, depending on their construction. Noise-reducing windows use several features to dampen unwanted sound. Laminated glass. 2 or more panes of glass are bonded with a special interlayer that absorbs sound vibrations. Increased airspace. Wider gaps between panes allow sound waves to dissipate before entering your home. Argon or krypton gas fills. Dense gases between glass layers improve both sound and thermal insulation. Tight seals and insulated frames prevent sound leaks through small openings or cracks around the window. Together, these components create a strong sound barrier, ideal for Redington Beach homes located near busy roads, public beach access points, or entertainment areas. Best noise-reducing window styles for Redington Beach homes. Your window choice should reflect both your home's design and your lifestyle. Fortunately, modern soundproof windows come in many styles that complement Redington Beach's coastal architecture. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile, double-hung windows feature 2 operable sashes that slide vertically. When built with laminated or double-pane glass, they provide strong noise reduction while allowing excellent ventilation, perfect for capturing gentle sea breezes. Casement windows. Casement windows open outward with a crank and seal tightly when closed. Their compression-style locking system creates one of the best air and sound-tight seals available. They're great for homes exposed to street or neighbor noise. Picture windows. For homeowners who want unobstructed ocean views, picture windows with acoustic glass offer a sleek, modern look while minimizing outside noise. Pair them with smaller operable windows nearby for fresh air and cross ventilation. Sliding windows. Contemporary and easy to operate, sliding windows can be customized with laminated glass and insulated frames for quieter performance and a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Added benefits beyond soundproofing. Noise-reducing windows offer more than peace and quiet. They also provide energy efficiency. Double or triple pane designs reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during Redington Beach's warm months. UV protection. Low E coatings protect furniture, flooring, and artwork from sun fading. Storm resistance. Many noise-reducing windows double as impact-resistant models, offering extra security during Florida's hurricane season. This combination of comfort, protection, and savings makes them an ideal investment for year-round enjoyment. Professional installation. For maximum results. Even the best window can't perform properly without expert installation. Professional installers ensure an airtight fit, eliminating gaps that can allow noise or moisture to enter. For coastal homes in Redington Beach, Professional installation also helps prevent salt and humidity damage to frames and seals, extending the lifespan of your investment. Experience quiet coastal living. Upgrading to noise-reducing windows allows you to enjoy everything you love about Redington Beach: sunshine, scenery, and sea breezes, without the distractions of outdoor noise. These advanced windows enhance your comfort, protect your home, and give you a tranquil space to relax, work, or entertain. Whether you're renovating a beachfront retreat or upgrading a family home, noise-reducing windows bring the peace and privacy you deserve, letting you truly enjoy coastal living at its best.